Now, hello everyone. I will check voice before starting. Okay. So, I will check voice. Now, I will check voice. Now, I will check voice. Voice is clear. Now, I will explain again. Now, I will explain again. Integration of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 dx divided by under root x cube plus x square plus x is given. Then how can solve? Simply, I want to numerator and denominator, we want to even power. Okay, then we got then you can evaluate corresponding to x plus 1 upon x is t or x minus 1 upon x is t. Then differentiation of this one is how much? Corresponding to 1 minus 1 upon x square dx or 1 plus 1 upon x square dx. Then how can make here? But here given x minus 1, so we have multiply and divide by x plus 1, then we got how much? If here multiply then divide by this one, then we got how much? X square minus 1, and denominator is how much? X plus 1 to the whole square. After that this one expanding, written like that one. Next target, if x square is common in numerator and denominator, here x square common, then 1 minus 1 upon x square dx, and this one in this part x is common, then x plus 2 plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x, and here if x is common then divide by how much? X square, then we got how much? X plus 1 upon x plus 1. And after that, let if this one is t square, then this one written d2t dt, so this one replace to that one, so written here, so this one replace to 2t dt, and this one replace that one replace to how much? T square plus 1, and this one is t square, under root t square be simply t, so tt cancel, so 2 dt divided by t square plus 1, and that one written 2 tan inverse t plus c. After that, t basically how much? Under root of x plus 1 upon x plus 1 and plus c, so this one written 2 into tan inverse under root of x plus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c is the right answer. Okay, I am so clear. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it again, I will explain again. Okay, now I will take another problem also. Look here, next problem. Integration of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, okay, into how much? 1 plus x square plus x to power 4 into dx is given. Okay, then how can solve this type of problem? Very simple. This question is very simple. Look here. If x square is common, then this one written how much? 1 by x square, basically if minus 1 by minus x square is common, then this one written how much? 1 minus 1 by x square into dx. In denominator, if here x common, then this one written x plus 1 by x, and if here x common, then divided by x square. So you can say that 1 by x square plus 1 plus x square. Clear? Simply, if here x common means under root divide by how much? X square. Okay, then if x square divide, then we got like that one. So simply after that, minus 1 minus 1 upon x square dx divided by how much? X plus 1 upon x into x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. Okay, now let x plus 1 upon x is t, then differentiation of this one, 1 minus 1 upon x square dx, this will be equal to dt. Okay, now if squaring both sides, then we got how much? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, this will be equal to how much? T square. Clear? This one written how much? T square, or you can say that if x is, so simply written here, first of all dt divided by how much? T under root. What about that value? Simply this one written, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 is written as how much? T square minus 1. So basically that one, t square minus 1. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, now how can solve this type of problem? Let t this be equal to cosec theta. Okay, so dt is how much? Minus cosec theta into cot theta into d theta. Look here, so that one written, dt is minus minus plus, here cosec theta into cot theta into d theta divided by t means cosec theta, here cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, now what about that value? Here cosec square theta minus 1 is how much? Cot square theta. So this one cancel, simply d theta. So answer is theta plus c, and theta is written as cosec inverse t, and t basically how much? Cosec inverse t plus c. So cosec inverse x plus 1 upon x plus c is the right answer. Make it very simple question. Okay, okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Look, I will explain again. Here 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square into under root of 1 plus x square plus x to power 4 dx is given. Then how can solve? Simply right now here integration of minus x square into 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. After that, here if x square common, in here x and here also x, then we got x into 1 upon x, in this under root we have take common x, then this one written corresponding that one. So x into x, that is here x square, so both are cancelled. Then we got minus integration of 1 minus 1 upon x square dx divided by how much? Written like that one. Now next target, if this one is x plus 1 upon x is t, then 1 minus 1 upon x square dx replace to dt. After that, if we squaring both sides, then we got x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, this will equal to t square. So you can say that this one x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 replace to t square plus 1. Okay, basically sorry, t square minus 1, because here plus 2. So that value put here, then we got like that one. After that, how can integrate? in this section we have taken cos t this will equal to cosec theta, then differentiation of this one written like that one, and that value put here. What about that value? This is cot square theta, so cot cancel, we got simply cot, so cot, because under root cot square theta is simply cot theta, so cot theta cancel, and this one cancel, simply plus d theta, integration of d theta, so integration of this one theta plus c, so that theta is written as how much? Cosec inverse t plus c, so t basically x plus 1 upon x, and plus c is the right answer, make it. Okay. After that I will take another problem. Make it. Okay. Integration of tan pi by 4 minus x dx divided by how much? Cosec square x under root of tan cube x and this one tan square x plus tan x. Okay. Tan pi by 4 minus x upon cos square x into under root of tan cube x plus tan square x plus tan x. How can solve this type of problem? Simply, first of all, look here. Tan pi by 4 plus x, tan pi by 4 minus x is written as how much? Tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by how much? 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Tan pi by 4 is 1, so 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So this one replaced to how much? 1 minus tan x, okay, divided by 1 plus tan x. Okay, now 1 by cos square x is basically how much? Sec square x. So this one going on numerator, so written sec square x into dx divided by how much? This one tan cube x plus tan square x plus tan x. Okay, I hope so clear. Now after that, look here very carefully. If here 1 plus tan x and here 1 minus tan x, so if multiply how much? 1 plus tan x, you can multiply 1 plus tan x, so this one written 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan x to the whole square, or you can very simple way, let tan x this will equal to t, so sec square dx this will equal to dt, very simple manner. So here 1 minus t into 1 upon 1 plus t dt divided by how much? Under root t cube plus t square plus t. How can solve this type of problem? Very simple. If multiply by and divide by t plus 1, numerator and denominator, then this one written here 1 minus t, so you can multiply and divide by 1 plus t, so that one written 1 minus t to the whole square and this one written 1 plus t to the whole square dt, and divided by under root of how much, t cube plus t square plus t. Okay, now after that, if t square is common in numerator, then written t square minus 1 minus t square common, then 1 minus 1 upon t square dt divided by this one written 1 plus t square is basically t square plus 2t plus 1. If t square common, then here simply divide by t, and in this section also divide by t. So but here under root, so basically divide by t square. Okay, then t square cancel. So written here minus 1 minus 1 upon t square dt divided by how much, you can say that t plus 1 upon t plus 1 plus 1, and that one written how much, t plus 1 by t plus 1. Okay, look here very carefully. After simplification, basically here t square, if divide by t, then we got how much, t plus 1 by t plus 2. 2 is also written as 1 plus 1. Why written 1 plus 1? Later on discuss. Look, let t plus 1 by t plus 1, this be equal to y square. So how much, 1 minus 1 upon t square dt replace to 2y dy. Okay, so you can say that minus 2y dy divided by how much, t square plus 1, this one written t square plus 1 into under root y, so simply y. So you can say that minus 2 dy divided by y square, sorry, basically y here, so y square plus 1, so this one written minus 2 into tan inverse tan inverse y plus c. So you can say that minus 2 tan inverse y, basically under root of how much, like that one, and this one written t basically replaced to tan x, so tan x plus 1 upon tan x, basically cot x plus 1, and plus c is the right answer. Make it. Okay, if anyone faces any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, now I will explain again. According to question, integration of tan pi by 4 minus x dx divided by how much, cos square x into under root of tan cube x plus tan square x plus tan x. Then how can do this type of problem? First of all, this one is converted in the terms of y, in the terms of t. So how can convert? Look here, cos square is written as 1 by cos square is written as sec square. So here sec square x dx, and that one tan pi by 4 minus x replaced to formula of tan a minus b is how much, tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. So written that one, written like that one, and after that this one replaced to 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. So this one replaced to this one, then we got like that one, and here next target, if tan x this be equal to t, then if this one differentiate, then we got sec square dx this be equal to dt. So this one replace to dt 1 minus t upon 1 plus t dt divided by that one written t cube plus t square plus t. After that, look here, if how can solve this type of problem? Simply, if numerator and denominator even power available, then you can apply t plus 1 upon t is t, or t minus 1 upon t is taken whatever y. Okay, then after that differentiate. So that's why how can make even power? Simply, if 1 plus t upon 1 plus t multiply and divide, then we got how much? 1 minus t to the 1 minus t square dt. If especially multiply and divide by 1 plus t, then we got like that one. After this one expand, then we got like that one. And t square also common, numerator and denominator. If t square common in numerator, then written like that one. And here, if t square common, basically divide by t in this part and this part. If divide by t, so simply written like that one. But if t divide by that part, so under root of t, basically t square, basically divide by t square under root. Okay, so we got how much? This one written like that one, and this one written like that one. After that, next target t plus 1 upon t plus 1 is taken y square. Okay, so 1 minus 1 upon t square dt is written as 2y dy. So this one replaced to 2y dy, and this one written how much? This one replaced to y square plus 1. So y square plus 1, and that one simply y. So y cancel. So minus 2y dy divided by y square plus 1. Integration of this one, minus 2 tan inverse y plus c. Y basically under root of this one, t basically how much? Tan x, and 1 upon tan x is how much? Cot x plus 1. So minus 2 into tan inverse under root of tan x plus cot x plus 1, and also a new constant c. Okay, make it. If anyone face any doubt regarding to this question, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay.